Hi guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video we are actually going to be building a fun game known as the Mad Libs game. Okay, so it's actually a fun game that involves playing with words. So here we are going to be looking at how we can make use of collect inputs from users and how to use them with a string. So we are going to be inserting our inputs into a story, and we are just going to be printing that story, kind of a funny, get funny results. So let's get right into it. So for us to start with, the first thing we need to do is get a list of inputs. So I'm going to be getting inputs from the user, and I'll be needing 4 inputs. I'll be needing a noun, so I'm going to say input enter a noun, and I'm just going to copy and paste that a couple of times. Okay, so I'm going to be needing a verb, so enter a verb. I'm going to be needing an adjective, so I'm going to say enter an adjective, and I'm going to be needing an adverb, so I'm going to say enter an adverb. Okay, so we have it right here. Now the next thing that we now need to do is to actually get the story. Okay, so I already have the story out, so I'm just going to grab that quickly, and I'm just going to paste that right here. Okay, so this is the story, and I'm just going to format that a little bit, just going to break that into a couple of lines. Okay, so we have the story right here. So I'm saying once upon a time there was an adjective, and so on and so forth. So these are the places where we would actually be inserting the values that we are collecting from our user. So after that, let's just print some things. So let's say print the output. Okay, so here I'm going to print let me just add a formatted string, an escape here. Yeah, so that should be this. Then say Mad Libs game, then I'm going to add that again, then I'm just going to print out the story. Okay, so with this we've successfully created our Mad Libs game, and it's time for us to run it. So we're going to be collecting the user's inputs, and we're going to be collecting a noun, a verb, an adjective, and an adverb, and we're going to be inserting that into the story, and hopefully it gives us a meaningful value, a meaningful story, and sometimes it gives us funny stories. So let's run that. And for my noun, I will use dog. For my verb, I'll say eat, and for my adjective, I will say let me see. For my adjective, I'll say sad. Yep, I think sad should do. Say sad. And for my adverb, I'll say slowly. Okay, so let's see what this gives us. So here we have, once upon a time there was a sad dog who loved to eat slowly. One day, while slowly, the dog met a sad dog. Wow, they decided to eat together and had a sad time. So here it actually gave us a very, very funny story. Okay, but something that we had was, let's break this into a couple of lines, so we'll not have it as a long output. Okay, so this should actually give us we'll not have to break it down. So let's try once more. So here, let's say a rat, and a verb, let's say jump, and adjective, an adjective. Let me say happy this time, and for the adverb, let me say hastily. Okay, so here we have it. Once upon a time there was a happy rat who loved to jump hastily. One day, while hastily, the rat met a happy rat. They decided to jump together and had a happy time. So here we have this funny story right here, and it kind of sounds so funny, and it's actually fun. So here we've seen how we can put our inputs, knowledge of input to work, and also string formatting, and so that looks nice. So guys, that will be all for this video. Kindly like, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video as well with your friends and try and practice. I want to see you guys output in the comment section. I want to see the fun results you are able to get, and also if you can come up with your own Mad Libs game, I would love to see that as well. Kindly drop it in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.